Next is marketing objective. CMB Bank provides Sunlink Insurance, which is a regular premium investment linked plan that offer insurance protection and potential investment return up to the age of 99. Although the product is highly beneficial for students and not everyone aware of this product and its plan. Therefore, CMB Bank should make the students aware of their product. In order to make their product successful in UUM, CMB Bank should set an objective which can make an impact among students in UUM. The first objective is to make the product successful is reinforcing CMB Bank's market image and its product image as the finest service provider in the industry. To do that, CMB Bank should attract the customers in Unicity Utara, Malaysia. In order to attract the consumers that suit to use our product and services, we have to recognize the potential and possible consumer to satisfy their needs. There are two ways to attract the students whom are the target customers of this product. First one is run a campaign to spread the messages about the Sunlink Insurance and its benefits to students. This campaign is a platform in where we can group the ideas, benefits and concepts into one large media base. CMB Bank should run the campaign at Varsity Mall to reach the large number of students, since the place is the main attraction and always crowded with students, and gather all the facilities that students need, such as banking facilities, food court, grocery shop, bookshop, post office and so on. Next, the second objective to make the product achieve for success at UUM is to increase the number of customers, also improve the repeat customers. Firstly, to increase the number of customers, bank must promote and educate students on their product, which is Sunlink Insurance. To do that, bank can hire students in UUM as the staff to promote and educate the other students in the UUM, and this will help the bank to reach the students. Not only that, CMB Bank can do a direct response marketing to understand their customers. Direct response marketing facilitates the delivery of a call to action and outcome via direct or online interaction for immediate feedback and response. This is because not everyone can buy a health insurance, since 80% of the students here are unemployed. Last but not least, the minimum insurance premium payable is 2,400 per year. For employee, it is very cheap, worthwhile shelter plan, but for students, it's quite a burden to pay for it, because the general knows that students are tied up with various expenses such as learning fees, paying books and daily expenses with just enough money. Students will move to a shelter plan that offers cheaper and more affordable insurance premium by premiums. Therefore, banks should reduce the minimum insurance premium payable to an affordable amount. Besides that, CMB Bank also used the direct response marketing as a tool to maintain and improve the repeat customers. Not only that, the best way to build loyalty is by saving your customers money and keeping them happy. So banks should provide special promotion or discount and also provide excellent customer service to maintain their customers.